December 24, 2008. Merry Christmas. 5837 Jacobo Street, Poblacion, Makati. Solo, Ampi, Daddy, Bag, Shell, Root, look. And then Toots, and Anika, and Sophia, wait.
I need help.
And then Anika, and then me, and then there's the two boys. Hey, say hi. Hi and Merry Christmas. Hoy, Andre, Merry Christmas. How about this computer boy? Who's this computer boy? You. Aaron, say hi and Merry Christmas. Okay, you're eating Noche Buena at 11:10 p.m. There's the food: steak, baked potatoes, corn, mushroom, salad, and then we have also paella, shrimps, tempura, and the siomai, cravings cake, and chicken. Merry Christmas, bye.